Tired of wasting time on LED screen setup and management? Meet Hikvision's LED Tool, a powerful, visualized, easy-to-use software that simplifies LED display setup, operation, and maintenance. No more wrestling with complex data. With a visualized layout, you can clearly see cabinet positions and screen proportions, even when different resolutions or sizes are mixed, all intuitively organized. How about using third-party modules? Not a problem. Create custom configuration files visually, with support for mainstream ICs, perfect for flexible module adaptation. And now manage local content, program schedules, and batch updates in one place. No need to switch tools. Need to display content from multiple sources? LED Tool supports simultaneous on-screen display of local and Android-based sources, such as Wondercast, with flexible windowing, splicing, and free layout control. Mix input types and adjust layers however you want. Easily fine-tune brightness and color down to a single receiving card. Set timed brightness or auto standby so your screens can work smarter. Paired with our industrial-grade camera system, LED Tool supports multi-level calibration, full screen, cabinet, or module. It allows you to trace calibration files and adjust RGB gain for ultra-consistent color output. Need high stability? LED Tool offers multiple redundancy options, supporting signal backup and system-level hot switching, all designed for critical, high-stability scenarios like control rooms and command centers. LED Tool lets you manage and sync multiple devices effortlessly. From unified brightness control to synchronized content updates. With cloud-based file access, you can instantly download factory-tested configuration and calibration files using just a serial number. No more USB drives or lost backups. OTA upgrades keep devices up to date, automatic and worry-free. Stop spending too much time on LED configuration and maintenance, and focus on what really matters. LED Tool, work made cool.